Hey guys, this is 253 Reactions. My name is Larry. Thank you for joining me in this wonderful, wonderful day. We are going to be doing Lee Brice, I Drive Your Truck. Now, I think I did Lee Brice during the halftime show alternative. I believe Lee Brice was there. I did the reaction. I haven't posted it yet. I haven't edited it yet, but I'll get to it. So, this is my second Lee Brice, I Drive Your Truck. We're doing the live version. Hope that's okay. If I do need to go back and look at the video, let me know. I will go do that. Let's get going.
89 cents in the ashtray, half empty bottle of Gatorade rolling in the floorboard.
Is that Lee Brice?
That dirty Braves cap on the dash, dog tags hanging from the rear, old skull cannon cowboy boots, and a gold army shirt folded in the back. This thing burns gas like crazy, but that's alright. People got their ways of coping, and I got mine. I drive your truck, I roll every window down, and I burn up.
So, how did I get this song wrong? Is this about someone that had passed and he drives their truck? I don't know. I don't know why someone would. I don't know. I don't understand that. Let me back it up quite a bit and just listen to the lyrics again.
Dash, dog tags hanging from the rear, old skull cannon cowboy boots, and a gold army shirt folded in the back.
So that's his friend's stuff that's in the truck, and he's gone now. So he was a soldier. Did he die at war? That's, oh wow, okay. I'm getting it now. I'm getting it now. I'm getting it now, guys.
Army shirt folded in the back. This thing burns gas like crazy, but that's alright. People got their ways of coping, and I got mine. I drive your truck, I roll every window down, and I burn up every back road in this town. I find a field, I tear it up till all the pain's a cloud of dust. Yes.
The pictures that are showing, is that him? It looks like him, but is it his brother? Twin brother? Did he lose his twin brother? Or someone that looks very similar to him? I can't tell if that's him. It looks like him. It's the same hat, right? But maybe that's in remembrance of his brother? I don't know. Let me know, guys.
In this town, I find a field, I tear it up till all the pain's a cloud of dust. Yes, sometime I drive your truck.
Oh wow, he's at the Grand Ole Opry.
Yeah, I leave that radio play, same old country station where you left it. Yeah, man, I crank it up, and you'd probably punch my arm right.
That line hit me hard. I recently lost my father, and there's some songs that we had this thing, my family, when I was growing up, that uh, we'd watch MTV videos, and the entire family would watch them, and we'd all get to pick an artist or a song. We'd take turns, and my father, he would pick the same, the same song and the same artist every time. And in case you don't know, it's Dina Carter, Strawberry Wine. That was his favorite song, or one of them. There was several that he'd always pick, but that was the number one. And so anytime I hear that song pop up, because it's in my playlist, just because it was his favorite song, and every time it comes up, I spend the entire song I spend the entire song thinking about him. And when we had those moments where we'd watch and they'd turn it way up. We had surround sound speakers and in the house, and we'd turn the music top, crank it. Um, that's just something that we did, and it always makes me think of that. And so that line with the radio songs, I get it.
Same old country station where you left it. Yeah, man, I crank it up, and you'd probably punch my arm right now if you saw this tear rolling down on my face.
Oh no, I'm so sorry, guys. I'll pause it and I'll let it buffer. All right, I took a moment. I paused it. I let it buffer a little bit, so hopefully that doesn't do it again. And I brought it back a little bit. I don't know what's going on with my internet. Hopefully, hopefully it doesn't do that again. I do apologize. I'll knock it back a little bit more.
Arm right now. If you saw this tear rolling down on my face. Yeah, man, I'm trying to be tough. Yeah, Mom asked me this morning if I'd been by your grave. Well, that flag and stone ain't where I feel you anyway. I drive your truck. I roll every window down and I burn up every back road in this town. I find a field, I tear it up till all the paint's a cloud of dust. Yes, sometimes I drive your truck. Well, I've cussed, I prayed, I said goodbye, I shook my fist and asked God why. But these days, when I'm missing you this much.
All right, so it was definitely a family member that died. He said that his mom asked him if he visited his grave recently. That's not where he feels him anyway. So I'm guessing it's his brother. I think those are pictures of his brother. I'm guessing they were really, really close looking. This is a hard song to watch, guys.
Every back road in this town, I find a field, I tear it up till all the paint's a cloud of dust. Yes, sometimes I drive your truck. Well, I've cussed, I prayed, I said goodbye, I shook my fist and asked God why. But these days, when I'm missing you this much, I drive your truck, I roll every window down and I burn up.
Sorry, pause it again. Uh, my father was called a hog hauler. If you don't know what that is, he's a person that scraps cars. He recycles cars. He had a flatbed truck with a winch. People would call him, and they had an old junk car they wanted to get rid of. He'd go pick it up and take it to the scrap yard or the recycling company, and he'd get paid for that. He had this truck that it was an old beater Ford 1-ton truck, and I think it was like a '76 Ford. He had it all of our lives. He worked all of our lives, and we still have that truck. Um, it's parked on the property. We haven't, pulled it out from under the tarp in years. I think that we need to pull it out and drive it, see if it will start. Because this song makes me think of that. because it's my dad's truck. I wouldn't mind driving it and just smelling it and smelling the inside and seeing what's still in there. Part of his, maybe some of his personal property still there. I don't know. Wow, this is a hard song, guys.
This town I find a field, I tear it up till all the pain's a cloud of dust. Yes, sometimes I drive your truck. Well, I'm cussed, I prayed, I said goodbye, I shook my fist and asked God why. But these days, when I'm missing you this much, I drive your truck, I roll every window down, and I burn up every back road in this town. I find a field, I tear it up till all the pain's a cloud of dust. Yes, sometimes, brother, sometimes
Brother,
I drive your truck.
that's got to be hard.
I drive your truck. I hope you don't mind. I hope you don't mind. I drive your truck.
That's got to be really hard for him to sing. If that's a true song, I imagine it's true. Wow. With the song called "I Drive Your Truck," I didn't think it was going to be an emotional song. I thought it was just going to be a song, just a standard song. But you guys don't disappoint. When you suggest a song, they always hit in a different way. Sometimes they hit me in the heart. Sometimes they hit me in the mind or the soul. They always hit. I I recently started a Patreon page. The link will be in the description. If you guys want to support me and help me out, I would dearly appreciate it. I drive 14 hours a day for rideshare just to make ends meet for my family, and I want I need some relief. I can't keep doing it. I'm burning out, and I'm not gonna make any money from these reaction videos from YouTube because probably 95% of them get copyright claimed, which means they collect the money from the ads and whatnot, which is fine. It's their work. They deserve that. But I need some help, and you join my Patreon. Tell me what you want to see in there. The tier one, I have early releases of these YouTube videos, edited versions, and the tier two will have the unedited without all the garbage on the screen and the banners and whatnot. All that. It'll be just a raw reaction to me doing this video. Whether that's something that you guys think is worth watching, that's up to you. I do appreciate you watching these videos and hitting me with a subscribe or a like. Sorry, I'm a little down and out right now. Um, that video hit me in a way I didn't expect today. And so now, I think I'm done for the night. No, I'll do one more song. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.